The Industry and Business Partner Award honors organizations and leaders who help shape the future of our region by strengthening workforce pathways, advancing opportunity, and aligning education with real-world impact.
Greetings, everyone. You all mean a lot to me. We all admire and respect BGSU Firelands and what their contribution means to our community. The benefits include summer courses, our magnificent arboretum, our medical imagery programs, the teaching staff, and a pathway to college for high school students. I had the pleasure of serving as the chair of the college's advisory board, funding scholarships, and serving on Dean Carter's Leadership Council. I'm with you today because of the people who made this happen. One of those people was Reverend Larry Bettcher. Before his passing, my grandfather gave my father simple but powerful advice. Wealth is a good thing, but only if you use it well. He often referenced the message of acres of diamonds, reminding us that opportunity is right at our fingertips. That belief shaped our family. Reverend Bettcher lived a life of faith, service, and responsibility, sharing not just wealth, but wisdom and hard work. He built churches, served communities, and inspired a legacy grounded in purpose. That same philosophy carried into Bettcher Industries. When I joined in 1963, we had just 7 employees. When I retired, we had grown to 350 with a global presence. Our innovations, from food processing technology to safety equipment, helped improve quality and efficiency, contributing to feeding people around the world. But the story didn't start there. My father came from poverty, riding freight trains during the Great Depression, working with the CCC, and educating himself through determination and faith. When asked about his creativity, he once said, "I am not creative. God is the creator. I am simply an instrument." That perspective shaped everything. I am who I am because of others, their guidance, their belief, and their example. So again, thank you for this special recognition.
I would describe Larry Bettcher's legacy as one of love. He loves people, he loves history, he loves the community, he loves beauty. He operates from a place of love as opposed to a place of fear, as an example, more than anybody I've ever known. And I think that gives him this unique vision of what we need today and what we need going forward. What makes Larry's leadership distinctive is this almost, I've never seen it in anybody else, almost unheard of or unprecedented combination of humility as a leader and a forcible nature as a leader. So he has this ability to be whatever the moment requires of him, and yet he always brings that humility to the leadership role, and yet he can be very forcible if he needs to be in that moment or in that situation. And those moments and situations can sometimes be an instant, and sometimes they can go on for years where the leadership is required. So I think it's that. I mean, there are so many great leaders with whom I've worked, but I don't know that I've ever met with one who has that breadth of combination of those 2 attributes. His leadership has shaped opportunity in my experience in so many ways. We've done many projects in the Firelands region of our service area, which, Vermilion, of course, being kind of the center point for Larry, but all around that entire area, his leadership has created opportunities through his relationships, through his networks, through his knowledge, through his generosity, through his vision of what something could become that nobody else, frankly, saw. He's not just a catalyst, he's actually the force behind it. I think behind every great person, there's another great person, and I would hate to leave Karen out of this. I think she provides the glue that keeps his entire life together and makes him possible. Larry's deserving of all the recognition that could possibly be bestowed upon him. He is an amazing human being. I mean, to bring generosity of spirit, together with intellect, together with energy, together with all of the attributes that he has that make him such a uniquely gifted human being, the love he has for the community and people of the community, the knowledge of history, the respect he has for both traditions and the future. I can't think of anybody more deserving of awards than Larry Bettcher.
Through his leadership, Larry Bettcher has created opportunity, strengthened community, and demonstrated what it means to lead with purpose and stewardship.